Okay guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your eye color. This is the easiest way to do it. So as you can see in the background, that's me bougie as fuck, the best wallpaper ever. So there's this app on App Store or Play Store, it doesn't matter. And it's called PicsArt and it's like Photoshop for smartphones. So it's like really easy to edit pictures and to make it look amazing. That's the application. This is PicsArt. It's amazing. I recommend this application. They're not paying me or anything, but anyways. So the first thing that you have to do is, of course, open the app. Then, as I said before, turn off the Wi-Fi so the app doesn't stop or anything. Once the app is open, you select the picture, and then as you can see, there's a lot of tools right below the picture. So you have to select where it says tools, okay? And then you go to adjust. Okay, so after that, what you have to do is in brightness, you have to light the picture more. So put more brightness in the picture. You can put it at 25 is okay. So there is this tool right up there and it's an eraser. So you select that eraser and you start to erase all the effect from your face. So in this case, it's like a part of the face, so it's gonna be easier. But anyways, when it's like a complete face, you have to erase all of it, like from all the picture. And then you see that brush over there, so you first zoom the picture a little bit and then you select the brush that is right below here, and then you start to select all the eye, so the brown part, all of it. So this is kind of easy because you zoom the picture, so it's like cool. So just make sure that you select all the eye, all of it. But it doesn't matter if you don't select it all because I have like a trick that I'm going to show you later. So okay, once the eye is done, what you have to do is just to try to do this, the edge of the eye. That is really important, but don't select the dark part on the edge. So when this is done, you are already done, so you put that done button and then you start to play with these tools that are below the picture. So as you can see, you can do this eye darker or you can do it lighter, but the trick that I was talking to you about was putting all of it, like all the brightness on 100%, and then you try to use the brush again and just select the part that are left. Okay, so it is so easy to do this. Like, if I think this is the best way and the easiest way, of course. So now what we're going to do is that we're going to try to do this I look as natural as we can. So we start to play with contrast, and then it depends on the color of the eye, okay? So you decide like the amount of each tool, so you can go and start playing with all these tools as I do here. But the magic come with hue, okay? So this is like where the magic happens, okay? Because here you can choose the color that you want in your eye. It can be green, it can be yellow, it can be red, it can be blue. But in this picture, I'm going to choose blue, of course, because it looks kind of cool in my eye. Oh, by the way, this is my eye. I know, it's sick. Okay, so green is amazing. It looks amazing. But what I'm going to do is blue. And then I'm going to use all these tools to make it look as natural as I can make it look. Okay, so after I use hue in all the amount possible, so it's like really blue, I start playing with shadows and then highlights and then temperature. So yes, remember that you apply all these tools depending on the color of your eyes and the color that you want to. So if you have blue eyes and you want to see how they look in gray or like in brown, you can do it with this amazing app because it is amazing. It is what it is. So what I'm going to try to do right now is that I'm going to try to make this as natural as I can, as I said before. So I'm going to try to play with all these tools, and after that I'm going to show you the results at the end of the video. But as you can see, I'm just trying to do it. Okay, so after you're done, because we're already done, you save the picture and that's it. We are done. Okay, so then we're gonna go and see the difference between then and now, or like then and then. I don't know. So that's my brown eye, and then as you can see, I'm going to zoom a little bit the picture. As you can see, it is really really brown. That's my really natural eye color, and then this is the blue one, and it looks so natural. Like, it looks cool. I mean, it is a good work. That's why I want to share with you guys, or like with any people that want to learn how to change the color of their eyes. Okay, so this is again my brown eye because I did other works, and I'm gonna show you. So this is the other one, like the blue one, but this is like 3 4 colors, so this is like kind of different and it's like more difficult, but I think I'm gonna do it in another video. And this is another one, and then this is another one, so it's like a lot of there's so this is a way to tell you that there is not only a way to change the color of your eye. There are a lot of ways and a lot of colors and a lot of kind. Like, you can also put like a crocodile eye in your eye. This is so funny. Okay, so here it is, my first tutorial video on YouTube. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, guy, if you watch. Thank you so much, guys, if you're watching this video. As you can see, I'm not a native English speaker, but I'm trying. Okay, so like, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.